demo. Imagine how much revenue your team misses every month when critical contracts and invoices get buried in digital chaos. If you're processing hundreds of documents weekly, you're about to see how AI File Pro transforms lost productivity into organized profit. Picture Sarah from Accounts Payable at 4:30 p.m. on Friday. She needs to find a vendor invoice to approve payment before the weekend, but it's buried somewhere among hundreds of files. Each document has cryptic names like img0047.pdf or scan22401.tiff. What should take 30 seconds becomes a frustrating 15-minute search. Meanwhile, your team manually opens each incoming file, reads the content, renames it something logical, then drags it to the right folder, file by file, document by document. Multiply this by 200 files per week, and you're watching 15 to 20 hours of productive time vanish into digital busy work. At $25 per hour, that's over $26,000 annually spent on manual filing. But the real cost? Delayed vendor payments, missed contract deadlines, and the stress of knowing important documents are lost in the digital haystack. Here's how AI File Pro transforms this chaos into automated organization. Step 1. We set up a watch folder where all your incoming documents will land. This works with your existing Windows file system and network drives. Step 2. Configure your processing rules. Tell AI File Pro how you want documents organized, by vendor, by date, by document type. The system learns your preferences and applies them automatically to every incoming file. Now watch the transformation. I'm dropping 20 mixed documents into our watch folder, scanned invoices, Word contracts, Excel reports, even photos of receipts. AI File Pro immediately springs into action. It uses OCR to read scanned documents, then GPT-5-powered AI to understand what each document actually contains. No more guessing from file names. Watch this magic. img0047.pdf becomes Pacific Gas Invoice NOV 2024.pdf and automatically moves to Invoices/Utilities 2024. Every single file gets a meaningful name and lands exactly where it belongs. Sarah's 15-minute search just became a 5-second click. But here's the real game changer. Intelligent search that actually understands your documents. Instead of remembering folder structures, just describe what you need in plain English. AI File Pro instantly finds matching documents based on actual content, not just file names. Click any result, and the document opens immediately. No more digital treasure hunts, no more Friday afternoon panic. When you need to share documents with colleagues or export for compliance, everything's perfectly organized in your familiar Windows file system. Send via email, copy to network drives, integrate with existing backups. It all works seamlessly. Got years of backlogged documents? AI File Pro processes thousands of files in batch mode, transforming your entire document archive while you sleep. Ready to give Sarah her Friday afternoons back? Ready to reclaim those 20 hours per week for actual productive work? Download AI File Pro right now and process your first gigabyte of documents completely free. No credit card required, no setup fees, no risk. Join hundreds of businesses already rated on G2.com who've transformed document chaos into organized efficiency. Your automated filing system is just one click away.